In this video, I am going to show you how to play Blox Fruits on mobile using a keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need to download an Android emulator on your PC, such as BlueStacks or Nox Player. Once installed, open the emulator and log in with your Google account. Next, go to the Google Play Store within the emulator and search for Blox Fruits. Download and install the game. After installation, launch Blox Fruits within the emulator. To set up your keyboard and mouse controls, navigate to the emulator's settings. Look for the control settings or keyboard mapping option. You can customize the controls to your preference, assigning keys for movement, attacks, and other actions in the game. Once you've configured your controls, start playing Blox Fruits using your keyboard and mouse. Enjoy exploring the world, completing quests, and battling other players with the enhanced precision of keyboard and mouse gameplay. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.